So it is March 9th. It is around 8:50 and I've been having contractions since about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they are very consistent, about 5 minutes apart. I typically don't go to the hospital until my contractions are like 4 minutes apart, but because I live an hour away, I think it's a good idea for me to head over there. Contractions are painful when they come, but I'm still able to manage them. I spoke to the doctor and he said that I should just come in and see what happens. He's not going to do anything aggressive or anything. Today I'm 38 weeks and 4 days. And if I wasn't going into labor naturally on my own, I had a scheduled induction for Monday because I'm diabetic. So I am kind of happy that my body has just gone into labor on its own. And so right now Henry and my mom and the kids are just getting everything ready for us to go, and we'll probably meet little baby Callie pretty soon, I hope. What do you want to say to her before she's born?
I want to say, don't ever grow up too fast. I want to say, don't grow up too fast. Because I know, babies grow up too fast. No, don't grow up too fast. No, too fast. Yeah, because she grew too fast, right? When she was a little baby, but now she's this taller. And I don't want to say be talking to her. I want to feel the same soft skin. Yeah, and no, stop.
Say I love you, Callie.
I love you, Callie.
On your last day being two
Come out,
sisters.
come out, come out.
And then you're gonna be 3 sisters.
Yeah. We could do a group hug instead of just a hug like this. We could do a group hug.
So we are on our way to the hospital. Say hi, Dad. Contractions were like 5 minutes apart and now they're like 10. So I don't know what's going on. Whenever I move, it's like I get them every 5. If I'm just like still, it's every 10. Here's the whole laboring crew. Say hi. My mom and Jen. And we dropped off the girls. And we're going to have a baby soon, and we're stuck in traffic, which is not fun because now I have to sit with contractions while we're in traffic. There's Henry. There's you are. Alright, Gracie, you can do this. I'm so tired. I'm sleepy too. My back is hurt.
¿Ya lista? Okay, show it to me. Ready, set, push. The room is not that big. But look at this stuff, so nice, so big.
Don't record too much.
No.
I am officially admitted at the hospital. Have my head block. We're gonna get ready to have a baby, and so I am now 4 centimeters dilated. I came in with 3. I've been here an hour, and well, I don't think I will deliver till the morning. I am walking. Henry and I are going for a walk, and hopefully that helps my labor progress. But baby's looking good, everything's looking well, so we'll see. As of right now, contractions are just coming, like ranging from every 2 minutes to every 6 minutes. So much noise. It depends, but they are pretty painful when they come, and they come with like a lot of pressure down there. So walking and moving around really helps right now that I'm in labor, and we're officially going to have a baby. Water just broke.
And Dad is eating muffin and drinking coffee. Keep breathing. No, it's the baby. You need to push. Keep breathing.
The doctor's here. He's coming now, okay?
Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? You're doing very well. Getting a little intense, huh?
It was like a lot of pressure, like
I think.
You wanna sit down?
Okay,
We kept it.
all right.
You
so
did a great
I'm telling you,
job.
I called and
It's
Mel
all
said
good.
there's 4 of y'all over there, okay?
Gonna have a beautiful, healthy baby now. Here, put your hands here, babe. Give me your hand. Put it right here, and the other one over there. Pull them towards you. Pull your legs towards you, and push. Push. Harder, harder.
Push.
Harder, push. Push. Why not, babe? Push. You don't have contractions? No. Okay, we'll wait for the contraction. Let me set the table there. I thought you have contractions. Hold them. And bear down and push. Push. It's gonna take a little while pushing. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deep breath again. Hold it. And push. Harder. Little more. Keep pushing. Perfect. It's coming. All right, we'll wait. You're gonna need 2 more pushing. You did great. That was great pushing. And push.
All right,
Push.
bye.
Hit the head, Daddy. Look how it's coming. I'm gonna give you a towel now. You're gonna put this towel in this hand right here. You can cover this area. And we'll wait for the head to come out slowly. Push. Push. Now I want you to put your hand. You wanna come to me? It's easier for you from this side, okay? Come quick. You're right-handed, right?
Oh, you got a towel, Mr. Rhonda? The baby's coming.
And this right hand right here. On her chest. Okay. And we're gonna give
Oh my
her
God.
a suction.
You're little.
Good job.
Give
And
me a
push.
shake, honey.
Push. Daddy's catching the baby.
Push, mommy.
Good.
Good.
Now we're gonna push down. So we get the shoulder. Push, honey.
Mommy, push. Keep
Good.
pushing.
Good.
Pushing,
Now we're gonna push up. And the baby's all yours. Take it.
Oh my God.
Push, mommy. Push.
Oh.
Good job. Put it right here. Guys.
Good, mommy.
Right here. On her chest. And we're gonna give her the suction.
You're little.
Good job.
She's little.
We knew she's not so big, but she's perfect, right?
Henry.
We wait for the board to stop pulsing. Did great. Come on, girl. Pink up a little bit for us. So we're gonna stop pulsating now. We're gonna stop the board. So I'm gonna put the baby's going to so I want to get a scissor from there. So I can do this. Yep. Cut right
You want her
here.
to pink up some?
You got it? That's
Good.
Okay.
a little more. It's getting pinkish. Come on. Give us a little more color.
I ate whatever I wanted yesterday. Good week. They're so cute.
She's so cute. She looks like Annalie.
She's so hairy. Are you Chewbacca?
She is feisty. She's a mover.